Good morning, David here, weekly wheat look. Today is 9th of September. As usual, we'll look at UK November chart for wheat, and we'll start with the monthly chart. And you can see here that quite clearly, obviously, we had this big rejection candle here last month with that high here, 134, and then obviously we're starting with September. And obviously at the moment we've been back into a low of 119, and we're obviously forming this red candle here. Obviously preceding August we had the two up moving candles. Let's go into the weekly. You can see on the weekly here, obviously we had this negative one here, second, and we're now in the third negative weekly candle down. And obviously we'll go down into the daily. And you can see here daily we had this gap down here, and obviously what we've done now is broken the swing high we've been watching all the way over the last 3 or 4 months, 124.50, and we've fallen below that. And obviously we have found support down here at 120, and obviously we've had two positive days here, green candles, the last 2 days after making this low of 120. This low comes in here from the beginning of July. It now looks to adding support. Obviously we've got the negative gap up here, which obviously will look to get filled, so obviously look for a retest back up to there. But all we've done now is gone back into this range, which has been in place since June of last April, May, June, July, August. This range here of a high of 124.50 and a low of 115, and obviously that looks where we're going to be stuck unless we go to fill this gap here, and then obviously having a jump above that. Let's have a look at the currency, see what's been happening there. This against the Deutsche Mark, and you can see obviously we've had this run up in the pound, and obviously this has happened since 16th of August. This has run up here, and now we are seeing some retracement back down below the Brexit levels here, which is 13.224 against the Deutsche Mark. Just have a look at the US wheat market. You can see here we've seen a slight recovery in the US wheat market, back up to 4 cents a bushel, or $4 a bushel, back here. Obviously after making a low here at the end of the 31st of August. So at the moment I think probably on the UK wheat market, looking for some sideways action. Obviously looking for some recovery back up to test this gap and the high here, swing high at 24.50 again, and that would be probably in conjunction with a weakening of the sterling. And we'll put an update